Welcome back everyone to another Tech for Gamers tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Watch Dogs game on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Steam application on your device. And after you have logged in and taken into the store page, go ahead and click on the search box. And now type in Watch Dogs to begin your search. Once you find the game, just click on it. And this will take you into the game page, where you can check out the trailer as well as the reviews. Scroll down and click on the Add to Cart button alongside your preferred bundle or edition. You can then click on View My Card to continue towards your payment. You can now use your Steam wallet balance or any one of the payment methods from the drop-down menu. Then just enter your credentials, followed by your billing information. After completing your transaction, the game will be added to your library, and you can choose your install location to start beginning the download and installation. Once it is done, you can start enjoying the Watch Dogs game on your PC. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Watch Dogs PC game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next one.